Hello and welcome all students from 11th Commerce. Today we will start the next accounting terms and that is purchase. Okay. What is purchase? We have listened this word, the purchase word. Okay. But what it is exactly? In accounts, it is used for purchase of goods or raw material. Okay, to resell or further production. Okay, so that is called purchase. Okay, purchase is the term which is used for the purchase of goods or services or raw material to resell or any further process. Now what it means, I explain you. First of all, goods or services we are purchasing. Okay, so in that case, we are using the term purchase. Now we are purchasing the goods for what? For there are two purpose. Number one, resell. Resell means what? Suppose we have one shop. Okay, like suppose we have open Patanjali store. Okay, and in that Patanjali store we are selling the product of Patanjali company. Okay, now to sell the product to the customer, first of all we have to purchase that to the from the main company. Okay, so that is called purchase, that we have to purchase the goods to sell to our customer. Yes, of course, we are purchasing the goods from the main company for what? To resell to our customer. Okay, so in that case it is called purchase. Okay, so that is the first thing, to resell. The other is further production. Yes, we are purchasing raw material also, that is also purchase. Now raw materials is being used in production process, in the manufacturing process. Okay, so that is called further production. Okay, so there are two purpose of purchase. One is to resell and the other is to for the further production process. Okay, that is the term purchase. Now the next, purchase return. Purchase return means what? If we have purchased any goods and if it is damaged, then we will return it to the seller from whom we have purchased it already. Okay, so that is what, yes, that is called purchase return. क्योंकि वो डैमेज है भाई, क्यों हमें रखना है, it is damaged, so we will return it to the seller. Okay, so that is called purchase return. This is all. Now the sales. Sales is what? It is a term to sale of goods or services. Okay, सेल्स कब यूज की जाती है? वेन एवर यू आर सेलिंग योर प्रोडक्ट, योर सर्विसेज टू द कस्टमर, देन इट इज कॉल्ड सेल्स. ओके, नथिंग मोर. You are selling your product to your customer, whatever the base is, it would be credit base, it would be cash base. Yes, same in purchase also. Yes, purchase is also of two types, cash and credit. It would be cash or credit. Cash means the customer is you are paying, whenever you are purchasing you are paying on cash, then it is cash based purchase. Okay, and if you are purchasing on a credit base, means you will pay after some time. You are purchasing on the spot, but you are paying the amount after some period of time. So in that case, that is called credit purchase. Okay, same way in sales, there are also cash sales and credit sale. Okay, cash sale means the customer is paying you on the spot, and on credit sale, yes, the customer will pay you after some period of time. Okay, so that is called credit sale. Okay, so this is all about the sales. Then the next is sales return. What is sales return? Of course, you are selling your goods to your customer, but also there would be damage for any reason. So the customer will return the goods to you, okay, because that is in a damaged condition. So they will not accept it. They will return to us, okay. So in that case, that is our sales return because we have sold it to our customer and we are getting return it. So that is sales return for us, okay. So this is called sales return. Next, the next is what? Yes, stock, which is called inventory also. Stock का दूसरा नाम है inventory. Okay, the other name is inventory. Now it is an intangible asset held by business for the purpose of sale in future. What it is? It is intangible asset which is held by business. What is the purpose? Purpose of to sell in future. Okay, these three things is very important. Number one, intangible asset है वो, sorry, tangible, intangible नहीं, tangible, my mistake. Because it is physical in form, we can touch it. Yes, we can feel it, we can see it, whatever. So it is tangible asset. It is held by business. Business के पास वो होता है. Purpose of to sell in future. क्यों होता है? To sell in future. That is called stock. Okay. चलो एक मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. वो टीवीएस और टाटा वाला में हमने एग्जांपल बार बार देखा है, बस उसको रिपीट करते हैं. मान लो कि टीवीएस कंपनी जो है उसके पास 1 लाख टायर्स है, ठीक है. 1 लाख टायर्स दे हैव ऑलरेडी मैन्युफैक्चर्ड. ओके, चलो भाई टाटा कंपनी जो है उसने बहुत बड़ा ऑर्डर दिया. भाई वी वांट टायर्स फ्रॉम यू. ओके, वी वांट 50,000 टायर्स फ्रॉम यू. हमें 50,000 टायर्स चाहिए आपके पास से. ओके, सो टीवीएस कंपनी विल सेल इट टू द टाटा कंपनी. ओके, नाउ अभी ये जो 1 लाख जो टायर्स थे, द 1 लाख टायर्स वाज अ स्टॉक फॉर टीवीएस कंपनी एट दैट टाइम. नाउ फ्रॉम द स्टॉक दे हैव सोल्ड इट टू टाटा कंपनी. टाटा कंपनी को उसमें से सोल्ड किया. कितना टायर्स? 50,000. ओके, नाउ हाउ मच रिमेन्स? 50,000 विच इज अनसोल्ड आइटम, विच इज अनसोल्ड टायर्स. वो भी बिके हुए नहीं है. इट इज नॉट सोल्ड आउट. ओके, so they are still in the form of stock. Okay, what it is called? They are stock. They can be called inventory. Okay, they are stock or they are inventory. Okay, now this stock or this inventory are of two types. One is opening and one is closing. Okay, now what is opening inventory and what is closing inventory? That I will tell you. Look here. At the beginning, how much tires they have? Yes, it was 1 lakh rupees. Sorry, it is 1 lakh tires, not 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh tires they have. Okay. Actually, the stock is presented in a monetary value in the account, so we can say yes, it is of 1 lakh rupees. We can say that, no problem. So, suppose 1 lakh rupees tire were there. 50,000 rupees tire Tata company purchased. Okay, now 50,000 rupees tires still remain in the stock. So this stock is called opening stock. अभी opening stock है क्या, वो भी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. In a business there is financial year which starts with the 1st April and ends with 31st March. Okay, so on the 1st April, suppose there was 1 lakh rupees stock. Okay, there is a stock of 1 lakh rupees. Suppose, okay, ये एक example है, समझ लेना. So suppose on 1st April there was a stock of 1 lakh rupees, and after purchasing all the tires at the end of the year यानी कि 31 मार्च को कितना स्टॉक था भाई, 50,000 रुपीज का. So this is called closing stock because it is at the end of the year and this is at the beginning of the year. Okay. So इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Yes, it is opening stock and this is closing stock. Opening inventory, closing inventory, whatever you call. Okay. So this is all about the inventory. This is all about the stock. Okay. So now we will see the others in the next video. Okay. हम यहाँ तक रखते हैं. Okay. See you. Goodbye. Thank you very much.